Let's finalize it. So we have limit of a function x squared plus 3 when x approaches infinity. So we need to find the limit of the function. So first of all, we saw that the highest degree of power, even if you can try other methods of factorization, if it could work, then try that. But if it doesn't work, then use the other factorization method of taking out the common factor. So take out the common factor of the highest power, which is x to the power of 3. It will give us this. Or we divide by the highest power because we see the highest power is 3. So we divide x squared by x to the power of 3. Therefore, plus even this we divide by x to the power of 3. We have taken out the common factor of 3, x to the power of 3. And same thing, we divide by x to the power of 3, we have 2. Therefore, minus 3 over x to the power of 2. Therefore, plus 1 over x to the power of 3. X to the power of 3. So in that case, now we substitute the value of x, which will be 1 over infinity plus 3 over infinity to the power of 3, all divided by 2, minus 3 over infinity all squared, plus 1 over infinity to the power of 3 is equals to. So we have 1 over infinity, it's approximately 0, plus smaller number divided by bigger number to the power of 3, approximately 0, and all divided by 2, smaller number divided by bigger number, approximately 0, plus another 0. So I hope what you see in the numerator, what is left, it is 0. In the denominator, we're left with 2, isn't it? So 0 divided by anything is equals to 0. So that is our limit. When x approaches infinity, the limit of the function is 0. So it looks like the indeterminate form. When x approaches 0, the function is 0, it tends to infinity. So I hope it's clear. Hope that is clear.